everybody, and welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha. If you are here for the very first time, hello and welcome. We are managing money over here. So we are documenting our journey to debt freedom, financial independence, and building generational wealth. We're starting with managing our money, budgeting, saving, and getting out of debt. Today's Transfer Tuesday, we are going to pay down my student loan debt through Great Lakes. So I am going to walk you guys through this debt payment. I'm super excited to do this contribution today because Transfer Tuesday is about consistency. It's not about the amount. So sometimes we might be putting $20 towards debt. Sometimes we might be putting $15 towards investments. It's fine no matter what your contribution is. The thing is, remain consistent. It's a way to give you those quick wins and to see your portfolios grow, to see your retirement accounts grow, to see your debt go down. It just brings encouragement. So let me know in the comments, guys, what your contribution is. Let us continue to support one another on this journey, and we are going to get into that debt payment right now.
Happy Transfer Tuesday again. So I had recorded this entire video. We've made a payment of $1,039.62 towards loan 828 in the group of loans. So that payment is scheduled, it appears, because it takes 2 to 3 days to process. Normally, it takes 1 day. So by Wednesday, March 24th, I should see that already applied to the balance, which I didn't show you on the screen, I'm so sorry, but should now be $9,000. So we have hit a milestone and I'm so excited. If you notice here to the right, there is a date here, November 2021. That's when my payments are scheduled to resume, because in November of 2019 I had applied for hardship deferment and I got it. Of course, a few months later the pandemic shifted everything, so that means that there's 0% interest, but my deferment would still be in place. However, my financial situation had changed, or it improved, so I'm still able to make those payments. I wanted to show you the account summary, but there is some personal information down here that's sensitive that I can't share on YouTube, but you can see that the payment was scheduled, and this was our contribution to Transfer Tuesday. The emergency fund transfer is next. So also, we transferred $220 from our checking to our emergency fund. This was actually budgeted in paycheck 3 of March. So that concludes this week's Transfer Tuesday.
Thank you guys so much. Transfer Tuesday today was really awesome, especially because I think it's the last Tuesday of March. If we have one more day, I'm sorry, but I think we're getting close to the end. And with all the things going on with March Madness, with just, the stimulus coming out, there's so much to be grateful for and thankful for. And I am thankful for you. I'm grateful for you guys. Hopefully you are also doing well, and stay consistent. Remain consistent. That is my number one tip for you guys today on Transfer Tuesday. So remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives to its fullest. Bye for now.